Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand and kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I found